2-1 to Didi Gregorius. And Gregorius rips one. That is going all the way to the wall. And that's going to clear him. Gregorius racing round second. Trying for three. Bases clearing triple. And the Yankees offense has got off here in the second inning. Wow. A 10-run second for the Bombers.
They are just bulldozing the Rangers right here. Another pitch up. Gregorius does a nice job taking it the other way. Look how shallow the outfielders are, splitting the gap. They compromise the range when you're going to play that shallow.